Hey guys, Toast again from Fishyaker, heading downstream a little ways. It is, well, now it's 8:19 because we just had the time changeover. It is 8:19 in the morning on November 3rd, so we just had our daylight savings time change. It is 39 degrees right now is what it's saying here on the dash. When I woke up, it was about 30. I got down into the 20s the last couple of nights. Friday night, a lot of the town celebrated Halloween, and it was beautiful. So the temperature has dropped like a rock, and the river has gone up like a rocket. The river, as of, I don't know, a week ago, was pretty much unseasonable low water. And just in Bloomsburg, just down the street from my house, a couple blocks from my house, it went up about 7 feet and peaked yesterday. River's crazy, cruising downriver, zero visibility, lots of crap floating downstream in it. So my buddy Nick Hartley and I are going to go find one of our favorite spots. Look for Big Eddie. Okay, a little bit of background. It is a creek mouth. Not going to give you too much specifics into it. If you recognize it, you know where we are. If you don't know where we are. And I won't ever post exact locations when I'm out in tournaments or actually doing any hardcore fishing. But again, water temperature is dropping like a rock. Visibility is non-existent. It is, I don't know, there's still some frost all over everything, and it is pretty cold. So we're going to change our patterns up probably and go more so with, say, hair jigs and things like that. But let's see if we're still in a fall bite. It's been kind of weird because as soon as the fall bite should have started, we got some crazy weather changes and fronts, and then that crazy wall of water coming down the last few days. So, wish us luck. And if there's anything after this in the video, we must have caught something. Now I want a freaking McRib. They're awesome. Yeah, they come out like every 5 years or so. Yeah, oh yeah. Oh, it's a fish. The catfish. There's a catfish. No, it's a bass. Is it a bass? Yeah. Oh my gosh. You. The big bass. Whoa. Got it. Oh, that's fighting too. My sister's snip, snip. Oh, wow. Whoa! Nice. He was up there on the shoreline. Number 2, same technique. Kind of splotched up. Otherwise, you got that like really pale winter coloration on them. Not as chunky as the last one. Again, up really close to the shoreline. Subtle hit. But another healthy fish.
See, I can catch a bass today. Wow.
Here you go. Wally! Walleye! Another fish, close up on the shore, jigged him up. Quality walleye, really pretty fish. Getting into that time of year.
Fishyaker.com, the original kayak rigging video series.